lot of people out here already. Golly. What is he doing? This is crazy. That Camaro chopping in front of me though. It sounds real good. What is a bunch of Challengers, Chargers, Camaros. I got a Hellcat behind me. Damn, my car dirty as hell right now. I'm going Hellcat, but that's a crazy rap though. So Durango RT, another Durango RT. Got the 5-liter Genesis, don't sleep on them. It's crazy. Scat Pack Challenger over there, then the Charger. 5 Another 1320. What's this? RT. SRT Jeep. This might be that's a V over here. Yeah, that's a V. That's nice. There's a V and you got the G8 over there. Going crazy. Big 01. That's good. Vet. It says, watch out for this mud puddle, but I'm trying to bust my ass, man. Crazy, bro. The Z71 truck. I forgot what color that blue is, but definitely like it on the Cadillac. Cadillac crazy. Hyundai, they got the N Sport. Got another 01. think that's a Hellcat. I think that's a Hellcat. They're going that matte green. That Nova look good. GT, Hellcat. That's wild. Scat pad, but this one got the red suede seats. Eco Boost. What's that? Oh yeah. I'm gonna go over here though. Watch out for this mud right here, this soft mud. Crazy diffuser on this one. God. It's a Hellcats. Hellcat. Mustang over there. I need that for my car. That diffuser. I need that diffuser. I need that Hemi. '8 series. Got an AMG thing going crazy. I like that. The shaker hood. SS. Another Z01. It's that 5th gen Charger SRT. And I like that color. That's that new gray that came out with the Hellcat too. It's not that destroyed. Security carrying a puppy. Pro charge. 101. All these Hellcats going crazy.
All the way downtown.
This motherfucking Jeep, bro, you know he rolling. He on a goddamn tires all the way around, slicks all the way around. Yeah, it's TRX, 2 of them. Jeep. Yeah, that shit, that's dangerous. Yeah, be careful when I'm coming out.
I left all that shit at the house. Oh, God.
They talking about the helicopter, about the land in the backyard.
We got someone enforcing the party and people are around it. Hey, thank you, bro. Move back, move back.
They saying this helicopter about the land in the backyard.
Hey, Jay. Hey, Fresh, you got something to say? What you got to say? What you got to say? I told you we gonna do it. Hey, I told you we gonna do it, right? We did it. We did it. We made the record on this one, bro. We did the record.
Guess he's trying to find a good area to land. It's crazy.